The penny stock of the day, Troika Media Group. TRKA is the ticker symbol. I would not call them a media group. They are an analytics software for social media company, things behind the scenes, programming specialists, IT people. I couldn't even explain what they do. They tried to explain what they do. Um, I thought they were a social media or some kind of news or networking or had some kind of content, media group. And it makes you think that. But no, it is a worthless company, always loses money, always losing $20-30 million a quarter. All of a sudden, September of 2022, they're in the black. This is the latest success story revenue month. They're in the black. $119 million in revenue in one quarter. I'm sorry, did I say month? One quarter. Net income, $1.27 million. Woohoo! They probably threw a party. They were pretty close this time. This was $65 million in revenue. Definitely a big step up. Buying this Converge company obviously added some revenue. Got rid of the net loss. We had some good stuff happen here. There's some stuff to be positive about. There's stuff to be negative about also. And here's the negative is they don't have much money. Where did it go? Balance sheet. Let's look at the balance sheet real quick. Annually speaking, they have 38 million in cash. They have $200 million in assets. They have about $200 million in liabilities. They almost could close the doors and not owe anybody any money. I would say they are right side up, technically. And say also, their cash would be built into these assets. 38 million of that. And make sure I got that. I'm sorry, $32.6 million. See, look at that. They lost $6 million since I've been talking. Always check on your own. Don't listen to me. $32 million. 32.67. Assets, liabilities. I don't know. I think $32 million. That's either quarterly habits of losing money. This is making money, making money, making money. 3 months in a row, 3 quarters in a row. They look like they've been. Oh, no, wait. No, I'm on their balance sheet. We're not even in the right place. Here we go. Quarterly. You got one right side up quarter. So when they do lose money with Converge, they lose $18 million. So they could, if they have 2 more crap quarters like this, that'd be the end of them. So I don't know. I could see them, I don't know if they better put up some profit along with all this revenue. This isn't any profit. This was $1 million. That's not going to make up for a bad quarter. We'll see. There's a lot of people that are negative on Converge. They're saying the Converge balance sheet has been converged into something that is better than it really is. They apparently left some things out of their balance sheet. Then they sold the company, then they readjusted their balance sheet, and then Troika just took over with their new balance sheets. There might be some expenses missing, but perhaps we just witnessed them being caught up on. The stock has risen. This is one day, obviously. It had a pretty okay day in 1 month. Well, up a bunch in 1 month. 91% in 1 month. Get out. This would have been a nice one to get last month. But you didn't know they were going to buy Converge. I'm sorry. Yeah, last month. 5 years? Do they go back that far? Ooh. they've taken a fall. They've been around for 2 years now. And here's their 1-year chart. They're $1.10 at the bottom, 14 cents. Now they're worth 40 cents all of a sudden. We've had a considerable climb here. Are we going back to this glory? I don't know. Doesn't seem like they were making it on their own. That sudden addition of revenue. I don't know if they did that or whether they bought something that had that. Apparently they sold all of these shares. 44 million shares they were able to sell with their IPO. Maybe they went and bought something that was worth some money and doing some money. It looks like the path that they might have chose was Converge. I don't know. I would definitely do some homework on this one. TRKA. I would recommend this one as thumbs up. Why not? We'll say 40 cents is too much. We'll say buy it for a quarter just because we like discounts around here. If it was 15 cents, I don't know. I want it a little bit cheaper. We'll see. Get a good crash in here. Jump on it. Put this one on your list. Definitely be worth the future interest in it. I don't know. They got at least a year or two left. It's not bad for a penny stock. It could very well have a history. $100 million isn't too shabby. Once they start doing $44 million in profit every year, they're going to be at $1 earning per share. They are going to be at $15, $20, $30 a share. And how far are they away from that? I have no idea. They better raise their margins because right now they don't look like they have margins. They did $100 million and only made $1 million. That's like, what was that, 1%? 1% net margin. Or they better lose some operating costs. What was their operating costs? We'll take a look at that while we're at it. Operating expense, $11.54 million for the quarter. So yeah, they're spending $50 million on operating costs. This is an analytics company. What in the world are they? What is their operating cost? It's not like they're buying steel girders and building buildings and what. This is computer stuff. This is payroll. This is airfare tickets. This company cars. This could be retreat houses. This could be all kinds of things. But they're really doing business, and they enjoy a good party every once in a while, I suppose. And I don't know. I like them. I like the fact that they're really put up some money. I like the fact that they're improving. I like the new company they bought. I wouldn't have liked them without that, though. And the brains behind this new company that they bought, whose brain is it? Is it the old owner's brain or is it the new owner's brain? Well, we knew the new owner, or I'm sorry, the original Troika owner. We know they're bad at business, and we know the Converge guy was good at business. So if they got rid of the guy that's good at business and they replaced him with the CEO of Troika, there's probably nobody that could drive this thing into the ground better than him. So I don't know. I'd like to hire the Converge guy. I hope they kept him. Look into that also. You just switched race car drivers and you took the best car and stuck the worst driver in it. That might be what this is. But I don't know. Congratulations on their recent success. I don't know if it's going to keep going up. We could say, but check this one out for sure. It's on the to look at list. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the show, and there'll be another one on when I find something decent. something worthy. Thank you very much. Have a great night.